A musím říct, že by to měli dělat kluci daleko lépe.
Je vidět, že ochranka udělala chybu.
Tu sa nemusíme baviť o tom, či niekto zlyhal alebo nie. Zlyhanie je evidentné.
Poprvé vystřelil zhruba v 0,80 vteřiny a vlastně ten osobní ochránce, ten nejblíž, reagoval zhruba v 1,2 vteřiny.
Yeah, someone's on top of the roof. Look. There he is right there. Right there, see him? He's laying down. See him?
Yeah, he's laying down.
And son, I'm here with you fighting like hell to get a Senate.
What's happening?
And to make sure we take back the White House, because if we do, we're going to make America better than ever before. We're going to make it.
Yeah, look. There he is.
Easy, because we have millions and millions of people in our country that shouldn't be here. Dangerous people. Criminals. We have criminals. We have drug dealers. We have people that should not be here.
Right on the roof.
It's much tougher than it happens.
You went right on the roof again.